Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the icons on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to change it, you need to go to the settings, then in settings go to the themes, and if you're not logged into the Samsung account you'll be asked to do it now, because without it you'll not be able to continue. So I'm already logged in, and now I can go to the icons tab and select any theme that I like, although some of them are paid. So I'm gonna select something free, which is at the bottom, and now let's set something that looks good. I don't see any, but maybe this one. It's kind of minimalistic, so I'm just gonna click on download, then I'm gonna click on apply. It takes a moment to apply them, and now you can see they are applied. So these are my new icons now, and to go back to the previous option you need to go to the themes, in settings, then go to menu, my stuff, icons, and set the default ones. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.